Hey there, health enthusiasts! Today we are diving deep into the world of nutrition myths to separate fact from fiction and help you make informed choices about your diet. Let's start by debunking the myth that eating late at night leads to weight gain. The truth is, it's more about overall calorie intake and food choices throughout the day. Enjoying a balanced snack before bed can actually stabilize blood sugar levels and promote better sleep. Now let's tackle the myth that carbs are the enemy. In reality, carbohydrates are essential for energy and brain function. Focus on incorporating complex carbs like whole grains, fruits and vegetables into your diet for sustained energy and fiber. Next up, the myth that fat makes you fat is wrong. Healthy fats such as those found in avocados, nuts and olive oil are vital for cell function and hormone production. Opt for unsaturated fats while limiting saturated and trans fats for optimal health. Now let's discuss the myth that all calories are created equal. Quality matters. Focus on nutrient-dense foods over calorie counting. Considering factors like macronutrient composition, fiber content, and micronutrient can be helpful. Moving on to the myth that skipping meals helps with weight loss. In reality, skipping meals can lead to overeating later in the day and disrupt metabolism. Opt for regular balanced meals and snacks to support metabolism and energy levels. Now let's talk about the myth of detox cleansers and diet. Your body has its own detoxification mechanisms. Focus on a diet rich in fruits, vegetables and whole foods to support natural detoxification. And what about the myth that egg yolks are unhealthy due to cholesterol? Eggs are actually a nutrient-dense source of protein, vitamins and minerals. Research shows that dietary cholesterol has minimal impact on blood cholesterol levels for most people. Now let's address the myth that gluten-free means healthier. While necessary for those with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity, many gluten-free products are highly processed and may lack essential nutrients. Lastly, the myth that you can't eat carbs and lose weight. The key is choosing the right carbs in appropriate portions. Incorporate whole grains, fruits and vegetables into your diet while monitoring overall calorie intake for weight loss success. So there you have it, folks. By debunking these nutrition myths, you can make smarter choices about your diet and embark on a journey to a healthier, happier you. Remember, knowledge is power. Stay tuned for more myth-busting tips and tricks. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more nutrition content. Until next time, eat well and thrive.